Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taong to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act.